Make sure to stay until the end. We're going to share a common mistake people make and they end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and repairs they actually do not need. All that will be covered in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick helpful video to any of you trying to find fuses relays for the rear sliding window on GMC Sierra, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2018. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find it, guys. Okay, we'll cover that today. If you need to buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. We can see where we get all our tool supplies from, and if you need something you can get it as well. So let's start on it now. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. So the fuse and the relay for the rear sliding window, where you can expect to find it, we will demonstrate on that generation GMC Sierra. By the way guys, you have many hidden fuse boxes in that GMC Sierra, and today we'll be working in one of them. But we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Sierra Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out, it's a video that people told us saved us thousands of dollars in repairs. Here we need to open the passenger door, and on the side of the dash, if you come right here, this is a cover guys. We can pry that open, and behind it you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So guys, let's zoom in. Here, if you have that option, let's explain what you need to check. 2018 year models, the fuse boxes will have very minor differences, but specifically for the rear sliding window, okay, will be the same for every year. If you have that option guys, you will need to check fuse number 39. It will be right here. If you have that option right there, you need to check that fuse. Also guys, okay, what you will need to do, you may have up to 2 relays that you need to check. And these relays, if you press that tab, you can pull that fuse box out, and on the back side you have relays, okay? And here you will need to check guys 2 relays. We're talking about relay 51, relay 52. One is opening, one is a closing relay that you will guys need to check on your GMC Sierra specifically. So guys, this GMC Sierra has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of relays, and those could be really hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you cannot find a replacement one, you may be stuck because of that. So we recommend guys, okay, to get some spare ones and put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching, see you next time.